My name's Charlie and I'm studying the T-level in Design, Surveying and Planning at Oldham College. I decided to study this topic because it seemed like there was a lot of different pathways. You could become a quantity surveyor, architect, project manager. It's a really good industry to be in and it's got good potential for high-paying jobs. The reason I chose the T-level at Oldham College is because, first of all, the facilities are brilliant, and also I really wanted the opportunity on the second year to go on a placement and have the work-based experience. The outside space is really nice and the canteen is really good and it's got really nice food. In this course we learn about surveying with drones, sustainability, project management and architectural drawings online, like on CAD, Revit. We're using technology that they actually use in the workplace. I like that I've got loads of support from the tutors and also from other teams around the college. The college itself has a really good dyslexia team. One of my highlights from this year is we went on an educational trip to Barcelona for 5 days. It was an educational trip to look at the architecture. Next year I'll be going on placement and I'm really excited because it means that you get to sit with different job roles and figure out what they do in a day and what you want to actually do in the future. I've made amazing friends and it just sort of sets you up for the relationships you'll form in the workplace as well. And I'm just really looking forward to next year.